Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Gazzara. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you find it interesting. This program gives you the opportunity to learn on your own, to watch the videos directly from the creator of Positive Intelligence, Shirzad Chamine, as well as work with other people within your pod, possibly industry leaders, to get their perspectives that you can use for yourself and help others as well from the perspective that you bring to the group. So it's the group learning, it's creating that accountability, it's working together with a common goal, it's really trying to become a better person, trying to understand yourself. You know, one of the first tenets of leadership is understanding yourself and then understanding others and initiating change. This tool gives you that ability in very understandable terms. So you can watch the videos to get the course content. You'll have the opportunity to interact with your pod to get other perspectives. You'll have a fantastic app that runs on your cell phone or smart tablet that you can use to track what they call PQ reps so that you can continually stay mindful and engaged to keep your mind clear and focused. And in our program, you'll have a facilitator, which is myself, to help bring my knowledge from a leadership perspective, as a leadership professional, as a leadership professor, into the program to make that connection so that you can see how it really applies to building your own leadership brand and moving you forward in a very positive way. I think the last thing that I'd like to say is that this is not only applicable for businesses or for your work environment. You're going to see this translate instantaneously into your personal life, with your home, with your spouse, with your kids, with your friends, that you will look at things differently. You will move from being a continual skeptic to being significantly more optimistic. I've seen that happen with several of my colleagues, and it's really refreshing. So what I'd ask you to do is, if you're interested, if you're not quite sure, I'd encourage you to book a 30-minute session with me. I absolutely promise no sales pitch. I'd love to share my experience to see if it resonates with you. And if it does, fantastic. We would love to have you in one of our pods in the future so that you can build your network, so that you can learn, so you can become that different person and really kind of set the trajectory of your life and your career in a very forward manner. Thanks for watching the video. I really look forward to hearing from you, and best of luck with your career and your life fitness in the future. Bye now. Thanks for watching.